So you may have seen that I've got a couple of free courses. I just want to explain what they're all about. It's just really so that you can get an idea of what it's like to train hypopressives online, because a lot of people say to me they don't think it's a good idea, that you can't be shown. If you're taught properly, if you've got a good instructor online, then there's nothing wrong with learning it from videos. I just think you need to be very picky and make sure you're getting the right information from the person that you're learning from. So I've just put together a free complete beginners 4-day course. You can sign up for it with no obligation to buy anything afterwards. It just gives you an idea of the breathing and one of the postures. So that's the beginners, and that's really where you want to start, is just sign up to that freebie. And then we do an offer for you for any ongoing courses that you decide to buy, but it's really just a step into, a taster to see what Hypopressives is all about. The other course that I'm offering, the other 4-day freebie, is from my Just Do It phase. I call it Just Do It because we do just have to get on and do it. Once you've learnt it, once you feel confident with it, you've just got to make it a regular practice. So whether that's 4 days a week, 5 days a week, or every day of the week, you do something. This program, I've put together a little free 4-day program again at Yours Forever. And that's just me instructing you through some flows. So those flows are where we've learned all of the postures, we've put everything together, and we're now getting to that stage where we just need to get on and do it. Gives you an idea of what it's like to be instructed through different flows, different levels. And the actual course afterwards, if you decide to buy it, has 3 different levels, lots of tutorials on how to add progressions in, how to change things up. So there's loads of stuff. So if you're getting a little bit bored, you've gone through the beginners, you're getting a little bit bored and you need some fresh ideas, that's a really good course for you to jump into, to get you into a really good habit of doing your hypopressives. So that's it, just explained. They're free. There's no sign up now and you have to sign your life away, or you don't have to sign up to a monthly subscription at all. Just try the 4-day courses, see what you think, and then go from there.